very entertaining.
Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we will be making sweet yams. So I have about 2 pounds of yam over there and 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and I have salt, 1 stick of butter, orange, and I will be using 1 orange in this recipe. Over there I have vanilla, ground nutmeg, cinnamon, and some vanilla essence. And I also going to be adding 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I peeled the yams off camera. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut the yams. And you don't really have any special way to cut the yams. You can cut them in any size of your choice, okay? So I'm gonna go about 1 inch. Okay guys, so I finished cutting the yams. So let's move over to the stove and get straight into this video. Okay, so I'm putting my 1 stick of butter to melt. Okay, here I'm adding now brown sugar, white sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now I will be adding my orange juice. So I'm giving the candy a little stir. So this is the sweet candy I'm making for the yams. Here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I will be adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of nutmeg essence. I'm adding my ginger, and I'm going to mix this in. Candy smells so good. So now it's time to add in the yams. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in the yams. Okay guys, so let's check the candy yams. Wow, the aroma is beautiful up in here. Oh my goodness, look at that guys. Look at that syrup. Wow. So I'm going to use a toothpick to test it to see if the yam is soft and nice. Wow, you see? The yam is cooked. My toothpick went straight through it, as you can see. Yes, so nice and soft. Okay guys, so I'm going to move my yams to my baking pan, and I'm going to allow my syrup to thicken up some more, and then I'm going to pour my syrup all over my sweet yams. Here you have it, guys, my sweet candy yams, looking so delicious, tastes great. Put it on your Thanksgiving table. Yes, make it at home for your families. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, comment underneath the video, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel, touch my post notification bell so you will be notified on my next upload. So all my new subscribers, I welcome you guys with a warm welcome. I thank you so much for subscribing. Thanks a lot to everyone who supports Carla's Kitchen CC. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Big up yourself, Teacher P Down. I'm a good friend. Yes, guys, thank you so much. And if you don't have Teacher P Downer, please check out her channel, guys, and subscribe. She's a great, wonderful person. Thanks again, guys. Take care of yourselves. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. And I'm going to see you again in another video. Bye.